So what we're going to demonstrate here is if you've put the post in the wrong place, or you're at the end of a season and you've got lease ground, or at the end of your lease, that you can take these posts out with the lifter attachment that we've got in the system. It's just the attachment. We've just used a post puller that you can buy from most shops. This is it. You post that on the ground. You've got two little hooks there. They go either side of the post. Get down nice and close, and then what you want to do is just anchor that and then pull. Pull that simply over the ground.